Hi everyone, this is Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Today Monday market. Previous day, that means Friday, a buy call started at around 2 o'clock we can say. Buy call started at 43,694. First target is a 100-point target. In 10 minutes of trading, first target breakout, and in few minutes second target also breakout. Like this, yesterday in Friday market, around closing time, a buy call generated and breakout all the target. Today market open, today is a Monday market, May 22, 9:15 a.m. Market opened around 44,000 range. In this chart, whenever trend changes, you will receive calls. Okay, so the trend needs to change. That means market need to come down. Then only sell call will generate. Around 10 o'clock, market started to move in the downside direction. So this chart informs us by opening a red color candle, it's a downtrend, it's a selling trend, like that the call generated. So red color candle has been open. That straight white line from red color candle, that is our entry point line. Sell at 43,890, that is our entry point line. Below our first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. First target is more than a 100-point target, second target is more than a 200-point target. Like this every day, this chart will automatically analyze and generate calls in live market. Today sell call generated after 10 o'clock. This is our first fresh call. So 890 the sell call begin. First target is 780 range. In 4 minutes of trading, in just a 4 candle we can say, first target is breakout. More than a 100-point movement has been happened. Like this today sell call generated and breakout the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.